Greetings from Nature Unseen 360. Welcome to the channel. I request humbly, before going into the details, please subscribe and click on the bell icon that you won't miss an update in future.
The shoebill is a large, elusive stork-like bird with an almost prehistoric appearance due to its oversized shoe-shaped beak. They are sometimes referred to as whalehead. Shoebills are found in East Africa's freshwater swamps and marshes. Its distribution is frequently associated with the presence of papyrus vegetation and lungfish. The shoebill is an extremely tall bird with long spindly legs that allows it to stand in the shallows of swamps and on aquatic vegetation while hunting for food. The shoebill averages between 3.5 to 4.5 feet in height and weight between 9 to 15.5 pounds. It has broad wings with an average wingspan between 7.5 to 8.5 feet. They have the third longest beak in the world, which enables them to hunt extremely large prey, even baby crocodiles. Shoebills often stand still for long periods, motionless like a statue before launching a vicious attack to kill any prey that come within strike distance. They often feed at night. The shoebill is usually silent, but they are known to clatter their bills loudly during courtship or greeting, which can sound a little like a machine gun. The shoebill female always lays 2 eggs, but only one ever survives. The second egg is seen like a backup in case anything is wrong with the first egg. Interesting, isn't it? The shoebill. Its all Arabic name is Abu Markub, or father of a slipper. This name is in reference to the bird's very distinctive beak. Shoebills were previously thought of as storks, but genetic research has reclassified them as member of the order Pelecaniformes and family Balaenicephalidea, which are large water birds, genetically closer to pelicans and herons. At times, and from certain angles, they can appear rather menacing, peering down their long, razor-sharp beak with a hook at the tip.
What do you think about it? Let us know in the comment section. Alright, see you soon with another informative video in future. Thank you very much.